guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I would like to share easy recipe that everyone will like. So we have the main three ingredients. We have the parsley, cheese, and the dry meat. And now let's start. Yes. First we need to prepare the frying pan, heated already, and add the mixture of water and all-purpose flour. You can add a little bit of salt as well. Now add the chili flakes according to your capacity. And now add the dry meat and the parsley and the cheese. So as you see, it's like divided into 4. So you have one there which is empty. So it's make 1, 2, 3, 4 slice and do like this. Wait for a little while and then check if this already cooked and turn this like this, and this side I will add another pieces of cheese, and it's finished. Okay, let's try one more. Keep watching.